What if reducing pain, swelling, and even chronic diseases was as simple as drinking 1 cup of tea a day? Inflammation is the root cause behind many health problems, from joint pain and tiredness to heart issues and even weight gain. But the good news is, you don't always need strong medicines to fight it. Nature has already given us a powerful solution in the form of tea. In today's video, we'll reveal one simple tea that can naturally reduce inflammation in your body. It's easy to make, backed by science, and people around the world are already using it to feel better every day. No fancy ingredients, no complex steps, just 1 cup a day can make a big difference. So if you're tired of feeling tired and want your body to heal from the inside out, keep watching till the end. Your healing journey starts here. Before we talk about tea, let's understand what inflammation really is. Inflammation is your body's natural way to protect itself. When you get hurt or sick, your body sends white blood cells to fight infection or heal injuries. This is called acute inflammation, and it's a good thing. But when inflammation doesn't stop and stays in your body for weeks or months, it becomes a problem. This is called chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is like a slow fire burning inside your body. It can damage your cells and lead to many health problems like arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and even cancer. The good news is, food and drinks can help fight this silent fire. One of the easiest and most powerful ways is through anti-inflammatory teas. So, how can tea help reduce inflammation? Tea is more than just a hot drink. It's a healing liquid filled with antioxidants, vitamins, and natural compounds that can help your body fight inflammation. When you drink the right tea, these compounds go into your bloodstream and begin to reduce the swelling, pain, and damage caused by chronic inflammation. Some teas are even backed by science and studies that show real results in reducing inflammatory markers in the body. Let's now reveal the one simple tea you can drink daily for these amazing benefits. The tea we're talking about, turmeric ginger tea. Both turmeric and ginger are powerful anti-inflammatory roots. People have used them for thousands of years in traditional medicine, especially in India and China. When combined into one tea, they become a strong natural remedy to heal the body and reduce pain, stiffness, and even digestive problems. Let's look at both ingredients one by one and see why they work so well. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that comes from the root of the Curcuma longa plant. The secret behind turmeric's healing power is a natural compound called curcumin. Curcumin is the active ingredient that gives turmeric its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It works at the molecular level to reduce inflammation, similar to some common anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the harmful side effects. Scientific studies back this up. In fact, one study published in the journal Oncogene found that curcumin has strong anti-inflammatory properties and, in some cases, works even better than drugs like aspirin and ibuprofen. Regular intake of curcumin may help lower joint swelling, reduce muscle soreness after exercise, improve digestion, boost brain function, and protect the heart. However, there's one problem. Curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body. That's where black pepper comes in. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. So whenever you make turmeric tea, be sure to add a pinch of black pepper. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Ginger is another root known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers. It contains a compound called gingerol, which gives it its spicy flavor and healing strength. Studies show that ginger helps reduce pain, especially in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It can also reduce muscle pain, nausea, and improve digestion. Ginger also helps lower blood sugar levels and supports heart health. When ginger is mixed with turmeric, they work even better together. They fight inflammation from 2 different angles, giving your body double the healing power. Now, how to make turmeric ginger tea at home? Making this tea is very simple. You only need a few ingredients and you probably already have them in your kitchen. Start with 1 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, and a pinch of black pepper. Begin by boiling the water in a small pot. Once it starts to boil, add the turmeric and ginger. Let this mixture simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. This helps release the active compounds from the spices. After simmering, strain the tea into a cup to remove bits of ginger and turmeric. Now, add your pinch of black pepper. If you like, add honey or lemon for a bit of sweetness and flavor. Give it a good stir and your healing tea is ready to enjoy. Drink this tea once a day, preferably in the morning or after meals. Now, let's talk about what really happens when you drink this tea every day. First, you'll likely feel less pain and swelling in your body. If you deal with joint pain, arthritis, or stiffness in the mornings, this tea may become your best friend. Curcumin in turmeric works like a natural anti-inflammatory agent, helping reduce swelling in your joints and easing everyday aches without the need for painkillers. Next, your digestion may start to improve. Turmeric and ginger are both great for your gut. You might notice less bloating, fewer cramps, and more regular bowel movements. This is because they help your stomach produce more bile and keep things moving smoothly through your digestive system. Another benefit? More energy. Chronic inflammation can silently drain your energy, making you feel sluggish. When the inflammation starts to reduce, your body uses less energy to fight it, and you start feeling lighter, fresher, and more energetic throughout the day. Your immune system also gets a big boost. Turmeric and ginger are known for their antibacterial and antiviral properties. Drinking this tea regularly can help your body fight off infections, reduce how often you get sick, and help you recover faster when you do catch something. Lastly, your skin may begin to glow. Inflammation often shows up on your skin as acne, redness, or dullness. As internal inflammation decreases, you may start to see clearer skin, fewer breakouts, and a more even complexion. It's a sign that your body is healing from the inside, and the results show up on your face. So, who should actually be drinking this tea? The good news is, this anti-inflammatory tea is safe for most people and offers many health benefits. It's especially helpful for those with joint or muscle pain, whether from arthritis, workouts, or aging. If you often feel tired, bloated, or inflamed, this tea can help calm your body and boost energy. It also supports digestion thanks to turmeric and ginger, which are known to reduce bloating and improve gut health. People who frequently catch colds or deal with skin problems like acne and redness may also see improvements, as the tea strengthens immunity and reduces internal inflammation. It's even beneficial for those with early signs of arthritis or metabolic issues. However, if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications like blood thinners, consult your doctor first. Turmeric and ginger are natural and powerful, but they may interact with certain medicines. Always stay safe and informed when adding new remedies to your routine. While this tea is amazing, it's even more powerful when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Here are some extra tips. Eating more anti-inflammatory foods like berries, leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, and olive oil can further support your healing. Try to avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and too much red meat, as these can increase inflammation in your body. Regular exercise, even something as simple as a daily walk, helps improve circulation and reduce stiffness. Sleep is just as important. When you don't get enough rest, your body produces more inflammatory chemicals. And don't forget about stress. Chronic stress can silently raise inflammation levels, so make time for things that calm you down, like meditation, deep breathing, or journaling. Think of the tea as a daily starting point, but remember that every healthy choice you make during the day adds up to a stronger, healthier you. Inflammation doesn't go away overnight, but if you stay consistent and drink this tea daily, you'll slowly start to feel the difference. Begin just by sipping one natural drink a day. Imagine waking up with less pain, having more energy, and knowing you're protecting your heart, brain, and skin just by sipping one natural drink a day. You don't need expensive supplements or medications to start healing. The solution is already in your kitchen. So try this turmeric ginger tea for the next 7 days and see how your body feels. If it helps you, come back and let us know in the comments. We love hearing your stories. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Your healing journey begins with 1 cup a day. Are you ready to start?